started from the bottom. No computer.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another shopping haul here on my channel, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, this is going to be a Hot Topic shopping haul. And I'm super excited to be doing this haul for you guys today because I feel like I have a little bit of everything for this video. I have clothing, I have puzzles, games, accessories, journals, you name it, it's gonna be in this haul. And this is crazy to me because I have been obsessed with Hot Topic for so many years, probably over 10 years easy. And I was just looking back on my previous order just because I made this order a little while ago, and I have a horrible memory, so I decided to go back onto my Hot Topic account, look at my order to make sure I had everything gathered for this haul to show you guys. And other than this particular order, it has been almost a year since I have made a purchase from Hot Topic, which is just crazy to me. I cannot believe I went almost a year without buying anything from Hot Topic. But yeah, I'm just super excited to be doing this video for you guys, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. So if you would like to see everything that I got from Hot Topic, then just keep on watching. So I think I'll start with the clothing first because I'm just super excited about all the clothes that I got. The first thing is I got a pair of socks, and the socks that I got are these right here, and they're just the same on each foot. So as you can see, they have Hey Hey on there for Moana, and it just says Hey Girl Hey on them. I just thought these were so cute, and I decided to get them really because I have an inside joke with my sister and her boyfriend when it comes to Hey Hey. So when I saw these, I just busted out laughing, and I knew I had to get them. And when I showed them that I bought these socks, they ended up busting out laughing too. So like, I don't know, I don't really need any socks, but I saw these. They weren't that expensive. I think they were like $5 somewhere around there, and I just thought they were super adorable, so I decided to pick those up. And then I got 4 different shirts. 3 of them are Disney, of course, and then one of them is like a horror movie type shirt. I absolutely love Hot Topic's horror movie t-shirts that they have. I have a few of them already from like The Exorcist, The Shining, things like that, and they're like one of my favorite t-shirts to wear, especially just kind of like lounging around the house. And so now whenever I go on Hot Topic, I always type in like horror t-shirts and just kind of see what new ones that they have in stock. And there was a few of them that caught my eye, but this one in particular I thought was like so cool and so unique. I knew I had to get it. So it's just a plain black t-shirt, and I ended up getting this in the size X small. I think it did kind of shrink a little bit when I washed it, so that's just something to keep in mind. But anyways, it's just a plain black t-shirt, and then it has this on here, and I absolutely love like this old font. Like, I don't really know how else to describe it unless you like have seen like t-shirts with this font on it, then you'll know what I'm talking about. But as you can see, this is from a scene in Silence of the Lambs, and it just says, I'm having an old friend for dinner. And then it just says Silence of the Lambs right there, and then it has a picture of Anthony Hopkins from the scene in that part of the movie. And I just thought this was so cool, and just kind of like a unique like a style of shirt from that particular scene. And I just really liked it because of how unique it was. Like, if you've never seen the movie, then like this obviously wouldn't make sense to you, but like if you have seen Silence of the Lambs and you love it like I do, like, you know this is a freaking awesome shirt. All right, and then I'll move on to the Disney shirts that I picked up. Like I said, I got 3 Disney shirts. 2 of them are sweatshirts, and then I also got a t-shirt. So I'll show you the t-shirt first. And I have been eyeing this t-shirt for the longest time because I do not have a shirt from this movie yet, which is insane to me because I love this movie and I just absolutely love the color of it. Here's what the shirt looks like. Here's just like a little overview of it. So as you can see, it's kind of like this lighter powder blue color, and then as you can see, it is a Hercules shirt. So it just says Walt Disney Hercules, and then obviously just kind of like a cover type t-shirt of all the characters from the movie. And I just thought this shirt was like so cool, something that I definitely don't have in my collection. And again, I've been really into just wearing t-shirts kind of to just lounge around the house in, just kind of switch things up from instead of wearing like pajamas all day. Right, and then I got 2 sweatshirts. They actually look pretty similar. As you can see, they're both this like light gray wash, but obviously they're different. One of them is from kind of Sleeping Beauty, and then from Toy Story. And these are like other sweatshirts that I have been eyeing for months, and even though they're kind of similar, I've just really been into like wearing baggy type sweatshirts lately. Like, I don't know if like the pandemic has had something to do with this, and like we haven't been able to go anywhere, but like that has been my style recently, just throwing on some leggings and a baggy sweatshirt. I've been all about it, so I had to get both of these. So the first one that I got is this kind of Sleeping Beauty one, and that's why I say that, because obviously it has Aurora on here, but then it also says I don't do mornings, which is perfect because I am not a morning person. I love to sleep in. I just thought it's like super simple, but like, I don't know, I was just so drawn to this, and I just thought it was so cute, and it's so comfortable. It's like one of my all-time favorite new like sweatshirts, so I'm really happy that I ended up picking this up. And then the next sweatshirt that I got is, I have been obsessed with it forever, and I'm so excited that I finally have it in my collection. And here is what it looks like. As you can see, it has all of the Toy Story characters on there, and then it just says made in the 90s, which I thought was so cool. And just like the artwork on here and just like the colors, I thought it was like a perfect 90s-esque sweatshirt in a way. It's kind of like the same material as the sweatshirt I just showed you guys. I have not worn this yet, but I'm so excited to. It just feels so comfy, cozy, and oh my gosh, it's just so adorable. All right, now I'm gonna move on to all of the other like random-ish things that I got. So I did pick up some accessories, which are just some scrunchies. These are other things that I have been watching on Hot Topic forever, and like I never ended up getting them because I have so many scrunchies. I really don't need them, but when I was making this order, I was just like, screw it, I'm gonna get them anyways because they're so adorable. So obviously they came together. I think they were around $9, maybe a little bit more. And as you can see, they have it like some mini ears with the bows on them. So here is this like lightish pinky cream peachy one, whatever color you want to call this. And then you have the black one, which I am obsessed with. I just love the little pop of the sparkly red bow. Like, oh my gosh, these are just so adorable. I haven't put them like in my hair yet, but every once in a while I just kind of like to put them on my wrist. They are obviously like big and obnoxious, and they're not the most practical things in the world, but I think they're adorable. I love just putting them on my wrist. Like, I just think that looks so cute. All right, next I ended up getting a few of these mystery bag clip keychains. I ended up getting 4 of them, and the reason why this one is open is because I actually filmed an unboxing, a separate video unboxing all of those keychains, which should already be up on my channel. So I'll link that down in the description box for you guys, so you can go ahead and check that out. And it doesn't have like the specific series name for these keychains on here, but obviously, as you can kind of tell from the packaging, it has all of like the Disney dogs on here, which I thought was so adorable. So I decided to pick a few of these up just to kind of go with the rest of like my Disney keychain and bag clip collection. And the next thing that I got is another thing that I have been looking at forever, but every time I would go on Hot Topic to check and see if it was still there, it was constantly back ordered. I mean, of course you could have bought it, but you just obviously wouldn't get it until like, you know, months later basically. But thankfully, when I was making this order, it was actually in stock, so you know I had to get it because it's so cute, and I died when I saw it. So it is this right here. It's just kind of like a plain notebook, you could say, but again, kind of with the same theme of the Disney dogs and animals, and all it says on here is I want to pet all the dogs, and I thought that was so cute. And it has like these little like marker things up here that are like the animals. So you have like characters from Lady and the Tramp and 101 Dalmatians, and I don't know, I just thought this was so adorable. And here's what the back looks like, and I'll just kind of flip through some of the pages. So each of the pages just looks like this. It's just like a plain lined notebook paper basically, and then when you flip to like one of these marker pages, it has like one of these cover pages on there, which I thought was so cute. And here's what this one looks like, and this one, like, I just thought this was so adorable. And one of the main reasons I decided to pick this up is just to kind of use it as a journal, just kind of a place to write down all of like my thoughts and just kind of like whatever I want to write in here. I have yet to use it yet, which is horrible. I really need to start using it. But one of the main reasons why I decided I wanted to start journaling in a way is because I feel like recently, I mean, I guess this has been going on for years now, but just mentally, I just have not been doing good at all. Ugh, and I'm like cringing right now because I just like don't like talking about this stuff, and like, ugh, I don't know. I guess I don't like talking about it because I don't want pity. I don't want to be one of those people like everyone else that's like, I have anxiety and depression. But like the reality is like, I do. I struggle with it sometimes, most of the time, on a daily basis. And I was kind of talking about this with my sister and mom one day. It's kind of how I've been feeling. And my sister actually recommended journaling to me because she was really into it. I don't know how much she does it anymore, but I know when we were a little bit younger in our teenage years, and obviously I don't need to get into all of that, but there was a period where like there was just a lot of shit going on with our family, especially between like my mom and sister. And during that time, my sister really got into journaling, and that helped a lot with like her own mental health, her anger, all that sort of stuff. And she was just kind of telling me about that and how much it helped her back then. She just kind of explained to me like it's just a great thing to just use to just write down whatever you want, write down all of your negative thoughts, however you're feeling, just to kind of like let all of that like negative energy out of yourself, I guess you could say. And she kind of recommended this to me not only because this helped her a lot in the past, but she thinks it would be really helpful for me because my family knows, and I know it frustrates them because, I mean, it frustrates me too, but I just can't change who I am. But she thought it would be really helpful for someone like me because I am someone, I do not talk to people how I feel. I keep everything bottled up. I don't know why. I don't like talking to people about how I'm feeling or how I'm doing. I'm definitely one of those people that will lie and be like, oh, I'm doing good, when really I'm the complete opposite. I thought about going to therapy, but because of the same reason, I don't even like telling like my husband how I'm feeling. So how am I going to be able to talk to a complete stranger? You know what I mean? So it's just like, I feel like I could make like thousands of videos on this topic, but I'll try to just keep it short for this video. So long story short, that's why I picked this up. So maybe I can get myself to start journaling. Like I said, I haven't used it yet, which is awful. I told myself I was going to start writing in it like at least weekly or a few times a week when I got it, but I have not done it yet. But yeah, I decided to get this particular notebook for my journaling because it's so freaking cute. I thought that would kind of like motivate me to use it. And I feel like that's definitely gonna help. I know I haven't used it yet, so that kind of probably doesn't make sense. But I don't know what it is. Like, I need cute things. I know I've talked about this before, like kind of similar to water bottles. Like, if I have a really cute water bottle to drink out of, I'm more likely to drink more water. I don't know if any of you guys are like that, but that's kind of the same thinking I have for this notebook. If I have a really cute notebook and like a cute pen to use to write in, I'm gonna use it a lot more. All right, and last but not least, I got two more things for this haul, and these are actually puzzles. Recently, I have really been into puzzles. I already have a couple that I already own, and I've already built those puzzles like 1,000 times, and I don't know, I was getting kind of like sick of them in a way, so I really just wanted to pick up some new puzzles just to kind of have some more variety. So I decided to pick up two puzzles from Hot Topic, and this first one is this one right here. I saw this and I died. I was like, oh my god, that is the coolest thing. I'm getting it. I don't even care how much it is. I think it was around like $14.90. But you guys, don't ever buy this fucking puzzle. I'm telling you, this is the worst puzzle on the face of God's green earth. Like, I mean, you're probably like looking at the picture, like obviously this is the picture of like what the puzzle looks like, and like you might already be thinking like this would be a really hard puzzle to do because obviously look at all of the white up here and look at all of like the blue and things like that. But when I bought this, I wasn't thinking that. I just thought this was super cool and I thought it would be really fun to put together. Boy, was I wrong. I still have a lot of the pieces in here, and if you guys would have saw, I think my last vlog, I was working on it a little bit, but I'm telling you guys, me and my husband, we have been working on this puzzle for going on months. It's just sitting on my dining room table, taking up our whole dining room table, and it's just sitting there. And it's already taken us so many hours and days to put it together as far as we have it now, but like, it's beyond ridiculous. Like, there are so many pieces that are the exact same color, and it's taking me forever to put it together. And like, I'm to the point, I was gonna take it apart the other day because I'm so over it. I want to just take it apart, put it in the box and hide this somewhere and never look at it ever again. But like, my husband is convinced that we're gonna like figure it out and get it put together. And I'm telling you right now, if I ever do get that puzzle put together, I am getting like the puzzle glue or sticker shit to put on it. I will never do this puzzle ever again. It is the dumbest puzzle because there are so many pieces. I want to say 90%, no, that's probably dramatic. 85% of the pieces in this puzzle are the exact same color. Oh, and it's like, you don't believe me? Let me just open it up and let me show you like all of the pieces that are in here. Like, can you just kind of see that just to kind of get like a idea? I know some of them are like flipped over and it's kind of hard to see, but you can see they're all the same color. All of them. And it's like, you know, some puzzles have like, I guess, a cheat sheet in, if you will, like on the back of the puzzle piece, they'll either have like letters or numbers kind of telling you like where they go in the puzzle. And I don't understand why they couldn't have done this with this puzzle. And it's like, I get it, like when you put a puzzle together, like that, it kind of defeats the purpose if there is like a cheat sheet. But like, I'm telling you, this puzzle needs it. And another thing, I think just overall, this is just kind of like a poor quality puzzle because a lot of the times we have ran into the issue of a lot of these pieces fit into multiple pieces. So I want to say, especially around the border, we probably redid the border probably 10 times because when we were putting it together, we were finding that multiple pieces were fitting multiple holes. And so we thought we had the right piece, but then we realized as we continued to build it, no, that's not correct at all. And so we had to do some more like flipping around to see like which one is the actual right piece. Like, oh my God, you guys. I'm literally getting so pissed off even talking about this. At the end of the day, don't buy this puzzle. It looks cool. I understand that. That's why I bought it. I didn't think it was going to be as hard as it really is, but it is. It's literally, it's impossible to put together. All right, and last but not least, the last puzzle that I got, I'm praying to God won't be as bad as the one I just showed you guys, which it could be because this particular puzzle has more pieces. The Jaws one had 500 pieces, and this one has 1,000, but I thought it was really cute, so I decided to get it. And it is this puzzle right here. As you can see, it is a Cinderella puzzle. I have not worked on this puzzle yet because I have PTSD from working on the Jaws one, and I'm just kind of looking at the background on this puzzle, and I'm terrified that I'm gonna run into the same thing with this puzzle that I have with the Jaws one. And her dress, oh my God. How am I gonna do her dress? Oh my God. Should we open this? I haven't even opened this yet. Oh yeah, they're pretty small. Can you see that? Oh my God. They look pretty similar. Can you just see all of those shades of blue and purple? So this is probably gonna be another puzzle that's a pain in the ass to do. But we'll see. And then I just realized from taking the pieces out, it has this on the bottom. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a cheat sheet, damn it. Oh, but it's really cute. It's like almost like a little like mini poster of the puzzle. I'll have to keep this and like frame it and like put it in like my future office one day or something. So yeah, I'll have to, you know, put this together one day and try to update you guys on how it goes. And also this puzzle was a little bit more expensive. It was $16.90. All right, everyone, and that is it for my Hot Topic shopping haul. If you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'm gonna get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.